A money saving facility, although I don't save any money.
Just another name for a bank, I suppose.
Yeah, it's the same type of thing as a bank, isn't it? It performs the same type of services.
Other than you can get lots of money off them, nothing. I don't use credit unions much, I use banks.
Basically they lend money like banks do.
That they're sort of competing against banks.
They're a bit like a bank.
It's usually sort of like a banking facility for people who are a member of an employee of some association or some kind of industry.
They help you with your finances and give you some pretty good deals.
It's similar to a financial bank, but only it has members or shareholders rather than actual just giving the money to the bank all the time.
Place where they make your credits.
I think credit unions give sort of look after their members more. I think they have better interest rate deals, and
Interest rates are probably a bit higher with the credit union.
I know some of them have got lower interest rates and maybe just their service will be a little bit better.
I don't really know the difference, no.
Banks are always trying to rip you off. They're always they don't look after their customers, they look after their shareholders.
I don't think I've ever used a bank. I've always used a credit union, haven't I?
Well, the biggest difference I find is that credit unions are easier to deal with than banks these days. So
I think it's more personal. I think you get to know the staff better and...
Then banks, I just think that they, I don't know, treat you just like little people, you know what I mean?
Before I joined the police force, I used to work in a bank, so I know how they operate and I don't like them. So.
With the bank, as I said, it's just the limited hours and that sort of thing that I find a bit difficult, so I'd prefer to use a credit union, yeah.